What's up guys, it's Megan, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this eye look using our brand spanking new Tarteist Pro palette, keep watching. So there are 20 brand new shades in the Tarteist Remix palette. I'm very excited to dive right into this very colorful eye look. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using these 3 shades: Color Explosion, Mash Up, and Outside the Lines. I'm going to start by taking the shade Wall Art and popping that all over my lid. Now, once you have that shade Wall Art all over your lid, we're going to place Mash Up on the lid, concentrating on the lid and then blending upwards toward the crease. Now that we have Mash Up all over the eyes, we're going to switch it up and go with Outside the Lines. We're gonna take Outside the Lines now and just pop that on the inner corner. And lastly, I'm just gonna take this beautiful green shade Color Explosion and pop that on my lower lash line. Would you keep it down? Okay. So now that we have our shadow on, I'm going in with our Lights Camera lashes, and I'm just going to pop a few coats on my bottom and top lashes to get ready for falsies. For lashes, I'm going in with our Heartbreaker style lashes. I already took them out of the packaging, but they're quite beautiful. They're quite lovely, and I think that they're going to complement this look extremely well. Alright guys, this is the final look. Honestly, serving some Mardi Gras vibes, but I'm not mad at it. I love our Remix palette. I have been so excited for it to launch because I've wanted to just use it every single day. Excuse me. So rude. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Leave comments down below on what type of look you guys want to see me use this bad boy for next. And yeah, don't forget to like our channel, comment below, and subscribe. Wait, no, like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel.